In our culture, Christians are often characterized as hate-filled and vindictive. Of course, you and I know that this is generally an untrue depiction, yet perception is usually more persuasive than reality. But what if we could change that perception? What if Christians really acted like Jesus did? What if we were seen as kind and caring and compassionate? Wouldn't that alter our society? Reflecting God's mercy in an unmerciful world can help make that a reality. When Jesus said that loving God and loving your neighbor are the two most important commands, someone asked him, "Who is my neighbor?" In response, Jesus told a story about a very kind Samaritan. Think about this for a moment. If we were given the opportunity to live that story in real life today, would you and I actually bandage the wounds of someone we don't even like? Further, would we pay someone else to take further care of the person? This seems to be an unlikely scenario. And yet Jesus clearly said, "Go and do likewise." So if Jesus said to do it, do you think it's really possible for us to act like that in everyday life? Could we actually go and do likewise?
In his usual story-filled style, Tom Croder takes us on a journey that helps us better understand what it means to be mercy givers.
Through scripture and powerful anecdotes, you'll see mercy over and over in this timely and timeless book. And if you'll let Him, God can use this book to help you better reflect His mercy in an unmerciful world. Get your copy today. Just go to reflectinggodsmercy.com.